for these BJP people, apart from criticizing Nehru and attacking Nehru for everything, they have no other defense, and they have no achievements of their own. Half the time they are spending by criticizing the past and glorifying false facts about the past, distorting history, and completely trying to fool the people of the country. So Mr. Amit Shah is laughable whatever he says nowadays for trying to put it on Mr. Nehru. This is a very burning issue for the present moment. Why go back to Pandit Nehru or Rajiv Gandhi? I don't understand these people. It is ridiculous the way Mr. Amit Shah is speaking. It shows what kind of a mindset they have. They do not want to accept any criticism or any other point of view. It is their way or the highway. So it is a very dictatorial attitude which is evident, and this is the way the country is being run, that either you listen to us or we'll finish you. That is what Mr. Amit Shah is doing. This is mafia politics, and that is their approach.
Sir, about the IPL matches declaring in Chinnaswamy Stadium, was there any discussion in the cabinet yesterday?
This come out in the papers today also. Yesterday we have discussed it, and some with applying some conditions, we should restart allowing Chinnaswamy for sporting activities. So Dr. Parmeshwar will look into it, and whatever is the necessary conditions that need to be put in place, that they will discuss with KSA, the management, the committee, and they will finalize along with what has come in the Kuna report. So taking both aspects into account, a final decision will be taken on how to start utilizing Chinnaswamy Stadium for sports.
So yesterday some of the MLAs had attended the dinner meeting organized by Education.
It is a dinner, not a meeting. It's a dinner. It is a casual dinner. That's all.
So with the developments that are going on in the leadership,
Every year, every time in Belgaum, he hosts a dinner. Mr. Shivkumar and his people. So and CM hosts a dinner for all the MLAs day before he had. So like that, this is normal in Belgaum. There's nothing new. So there's nothing to unnecessarily speculate on it.
Sir, Raju Bhatia,
How can you say all these things? Siddaramaiah is the tallest leader in Karnataka and the most popular leader in Karnataka and most respected leader in Karnataka. So how can you say these things? When Mr. Siddaramaiah himself has said that he is here, and ultimately he said whatever party High Command decides, I will go by that. So there is no confusion. So we cannot talk about him like that.